Seriously, why would YouTube take my YouTube account down? No, my old one. I don't know why YouTube would take my old channel down. I didn't like it at all when they took it down. I might try getting it back like tomorrow or in the next couple days or so. Tomorrow's March 1st. Today's the February 28th. 10:22 p.m. in California. Yeah, Armin. Yeah, well, Tolafuse 2 is writing me comments to him. That's not good. Tolafuse also made fun of one of my favorite users' videos. Yeah, AFT Plumbing. He also made fun of one of Gare L's comment. Alright,